Alright guys, we're back on the 2JZ swap Toyota Hilux today. You guys have been begging me for a video, so we're going to start where we left off and start putting in the custom harness that we had made. It's really easy to put in because everything's labelled and plugs in super easy. Now, since we're moving to a standalone ECU, we need a wideband oxygen sensor to tell us how much fuel's in the engine. Now, we've got that all installed, and I noticed the old fuel pump wiring was literally speaker wire, so I ripped all that out and I made myself a nice new little harness. Now, the ECU gets to pick when the fuel pump runs, and it's got nice new high current wiring. I've sleeved it all, so it's all nice and neat into my custom fuse box, and it runs all the way down the back and to the stock connector. I also put in a fuel pressure sensor so that the ECU can use it as a fail-safe to make sure the engine stays healthy. Next up, drained out all the old oil which had so much fuel in it and put some nice new fresh oil into it. Then I made up some custom pipe work to replace some old silicone joiners. After that, we just plug in the ECU, get our laptop all powered up, load up the software, plug in the ECU, and then load up a base map. I like to double